Good morning. We have everything packed up and we are leaving Vermont to go to New Hampshire. So we are going to be there in about 3 hours and 20 minutes. Add a little extra time to that, pulling this trailer behind us, and we will see you guys there. And our spot is pretty awesome. We found it on Boondockers Welcome.
It's an annual subscription service that you pay for in order to park on people's properties. Sometimes they ask for a donation, sometimes it's completely free, sometimes they have electric hookup for you, other times they have water hookup, sometimes they have nothing.
But this spot is pretty beautiful, and we'll put a link to this location below for anyone who's already on Boondockers Welcome or anyone who's thinking of using the site. Check them out because the spot is gorgeous. So because we like to keep it real with you guys and tell you whenever there's something wrong, we have something wrong with one of our tires. Let me show you. This is what this tire looks like. Everything else is fine. This is not good. So we are gonna have to get this bad boy off, and we're gonna need to get a new tire.
And that's what we call the Hoopty Special, y'all.
Tire fixed. This one will be getting replaced. Good job, babe.
Good morning, New Hampshire! We just left Wolfeboro, where we're staying at our awesome Boondockers Welcome. And we are on the road to Conway, North Conway to be specific. Apparently the regular Conway is kind of boring. So, on our way to North Conway, we're gonna fix the tire, step one for the trailer, and then we're gonna go check out some waterfalls and maybe do a little walking and just kind of do some exploring around the area. We're in New Hampshire, guys! Yeah!
Alright guys, so we are out at Diana's Baths for a little hiking and a little walking around in nature. We're gonna go check out some waterfalls, and we got to bring the pup with us this time around, so she gets to get out and explore, and she's really excited. Let's go check it out. So it's a warmer day, but I still decided to wear boots because we are currently hiking. Derek chose to wear Birkenstocks because he wants his feet to breathe. Do you guys do the same thing? Anybody? Boots or Birks?
Don't be a Sally. So, we were just talking, we could probably spend at least another 10 hours just here, but that's no way to explore New Hampshire. So, Diana's Baths, you've been great. We want to come back here. We want to explore you more. But for now, we got to get out of here.
So our time in Conway didn't end up lasting very long, and we couldn't find a restaurant that was open and dog friendly all at the same time. So now we are back. We're in Wolfeboro, and we're gonna get a late lunch, early dinner here, and we left the dog back at home. So let's check this area out and check out the lakes.
What's up, everybody? We're at El Centenario in Wolfeboro, New Hampshire. I know what you're thinking. New Hampshire? El Centenario? What? That's right. New Hampshire is not known for their Mexican food, but this place is. And they're also known for their margaritas. Just got it hooked up. Fresh jalapenos.
I just went with a normal margarita with fresh, real lime juice. Is that the end?
Not be able to tell, but Jessica had a little too much to drink, and she might have had one too many margaritas.
And by one too many, it was 2 margaritas. 2 were too many.
Yeah, she's a lightweight, so.
Tequila. What can I say? So we just got done eating dinner / lunch because we missed out on that. And we're now at Lake Winnipesaukee. It is gorgeous, the weather's beautiful, and there's awkwardly a horse in the back behind there. So I don't know what that's about, but he's in the water. The horse is in the water.
Shut the f up. Oh my god, there's a horse in the water. Can you see it? It's, I see it on here, I think. Oh my god. There's a horse.
You know, we were excited about the lake, but I mean, we've been really caught off guard by this horse. Look at it, look at it. By this horse in the water. It's so majestic. The horse. I thought that was a car. That's the horse. He's trying not to drown. It's like, I don't want to be doing this, but you're making me.
He's a swimming horse, honey. I think he likes it.
This horse swimming is so wild. It's brought everybody out here, and they're all recording it. We're not the only ones. Oh my god, the dog just jumped into party too. And this is, well guys, what's happening?
Here it comes.
Listen to the noise he's making. It's wild. I've never heard a horse do that before. It's so majestic. So we came back to our Boondockers spot and we decided to just relax, have a fire, and take the cat out. Because if you've seen one of our recent videos, she's not good outside. So just keeping an eye on her and making sure she doesn't run away. And we've only had one escape plan. The rest, she's been too scared to get away from us. Where are you going? Where are you trying to go? Where are you trying to go? This is so mess. What are you doing? What? No? Do not go in the bushes. Go. That's good. Nope.
She's going for it. She's gone. She's gone. Oh my god, she did it. She f***ing got away.
She's underneath this. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? I need your help. Stop filming.
This is what the people want.
Missoula, get her. Get your sister. Elsa, come here.
What an idiot.
Snatched. And this is why she doesn't go outside.
Caught red-handed. Good morning, everybody. So today we started our morning pretty early. I came out here and I took off our tire that we replaced from all of that terrible wear that we were having. So it's the wheel bearing for sure. Took the bearing out, took it up to Napa, and got a replacement for it. So now we're just in the process of putting the new bearings back on, and hopefully we'll be ready to roll. So we might not have anything to do today, depending on how fast I figure this out. Right now, I'm packing the bearings with grease. And there is a super informative YouTube video that I will post in the description below. But also, thanks to my brother Eric, he's the one who really talked me through this.
Guess who did an amazing job and fixed the wheel? This guy.
Me, that's me. I did it.
I mean, we haven't driven on it yet.
So it could still blow up.
Oh, well, let's really hope that doesn't happen. But
Special thanks to my brother who walked me through the whole process on FaceTime.
so we finally got out of the house after he got the tire fixed and back on.
Wheel bearing.
Yeah, sorry. Got the wheel bearing fixed, but the tire put back on. And it's a little bit late in the day, so we didn't really want to drive too far or do like a really intense hike, but our host told us that there is a view of Lake Winnipesaukee up the road from their house, so we're going to go check it out. And then we might go check out a tower around sunset and go see the lake from there. So we'll see. We'll keep you posted. So we walked up to the hill to go see the view, and unfortunately somebody lives up here and this is the only view we can see of Lake Winnipesaukee.
Still a good one though.
Still a good one. This guy's really got it made though. Alright, so last night we hung out at Burt Timber Brewing Company and Tavern. It was awesome. Unfortunately, I forgot the camera. Rookie move.
Guys, you'll never guess who we saw again. It's Horse Guy, Swimming Horse Guy. The guy with the horse from yesterday who swims. Speaking of, Jessica forgot the camera, so here we are filming on our cell phones like savages. Anyway, we're gonna grab some beers and stuff.
But we had an amazing time. We actually hung out a lot longer than we expected. They do serve food there as well. But they were doing a fundraiser for Make-A-Wish with a competition with another brewery. So we enjoyed some awesome sliders. We got some great beers, brought home a growler, and even left with some kimchi in New Hampshire. Not expected, but it was awesome and we had a great time. Wish we could have showed you guys around, but unfortunately we didn't get the chance to. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in Maine. Where are we?
We're at Lake Winnipesaukee.
Are you recording right now?
I don't know, am I?
I don't know. That's why I asked you.
Tell me.
Yes.
We're at Lake Winnipisupu.
You're supposed to record me.